Hi everybody, I'm Taisha, an application engineer at Keysight Technologies. In this video, we will talk about ways to manage model parameter history in MBP, such as how to undo, redo, enable model states, and compare multiple models. We'll also demonstrate a very useful function called double sim to help better realize model simulation. Okay, let's start with a BSIM4 DC model as usual and load some example measurement data. Let's switch to the 10x10 device and start tuning model parameter VTH0 for threshold voltage. And then change the IDVG VD plot's y-axis to log scale and select the subthreshold region and choose Unfactor and V-off to perform parameter optimization. Next, select the VBS0 curve and its linear region and optimize U0, UA, and UB. And then select all VBS conditions and tune parameter UC for body bias dependence. Alright, now that we've done a few parameter tunings and optimizations, let's come to look at the undo redo icons, which are the blue curly arrows at the upper right corner of the parameter table. MBP records all the steps we did, so we can actually go back multiple steps. Each click on the undo icon goes back one step. 2 clicks go back 2 steps, so on and so forth. Now, if we press and hold it for 1 second, a history panel will show up, which shows clearly all the changes we've made. We can then hover cursor and scroll down on the list to undo or redo multiple steps at once. Very convenient. Another nice feature is like a built-in model version control. By clicking this green tag here, it saves the entire model card as state 1. Click the green tag again, we add another model state number 2. We could go ahead to tune 2 more model parameters, A0 and AGS on IDVD VBS0 graph, and label the latest model card as state number 3. We can enable up to 9 model states in MBP. Once we have more than 1 state, we can use those left and right green arrows here to go to a different state. We could, for sure, at any stage, go to File, Model, Save, to save different states as different model versions. And as soon as we have multiple model files, we can load them all in MBP and compare them. Simply go to File, Model, and do Add Model. Then hold Ctrl to highlight both models and click the 2 gear icon here to compare them. We just see 2 sets of simulation curves on all graphs now, with one model displayed in solid lines and another in dotted lines. In comparison mode, it's still okay to tune parameters from either model card. The current highlighted model curve will become solid lines though. To quit the comparison mode, click on that icon again. And we could also remove one model by having it selected and then click on the icon with the red cross. Lastly, let's check out the double sim function. Please go to menu, Simulation, Double Sim, or using hotkey Ctrl-R. Once turned on, 2 new icons will show up in the model parameter table. One to cancel a new simulation result, another one to confirm a new simulation result. Let's try tuning a parameter. In double sim mode, previous simulation results are kept as solid lines, and new simulation moves in dotted lines on the fly. This helps us experiment on model parameters, confirm to accept the new value, or cancel to go back to previous results. Undo and redo can be used at the same time too. Often we also look at IMV plots, such as VTH and IDZ, and DoubleSim works on all IMV plots as well. It shows not only to which direction, but also by how much the simulation is changing. To create DoubleSim mode, we can either stroke Ctrl R or go back to simulation menu and toggle off the menu item. The cancel and confirm icons will be gone, and we stop seeing previous simulation curves. Alright, that concludes this how-to video. Hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to our channels to receive notices on new how-to videos. Thanks for watching.